Broadcast and sound engineering technicians. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Broadcast and sound engineering technicians set up, operate, and maintain media-related electrical equipment. Work environment. Broadcast and sound engineering technicians typically work indoors in radio, television, movie, and recording studios. In addition, they may work in hotels, arenas, offices, or schools. How to become one. Broadcast and sound engineering technicians normally require a bachelor's degree. Depending on the work they do, they may need either a post-secondary non-degree award or an associate's degree. Salary. The median annual wage for broadcast and sound engineering technicians is $4,000 to $510. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, overall employment of broadcast and sound engineering technicians is expected to expand by 9%, substantially faster than the average for all occupations. Growth is expected to stem from businesses, schools, and entertainment industries seeking to improve their audio and video capabilities. They will need technicians to set up, operate, and maintain equipment. Job skills. Ability to transport, set up, and fix equipment, knowledge of camera and lighting techniques and editing software. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get the most up-to-date career and educational videos. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the like button. Please ask any queries you may have in the comments section.